Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing here. This is a Radcliffe Tsunami diver prototype, I guess. Um, it's basically a random Rob kind of a tour. I got it from Saline Driver, so let's get it open and take a look. Looking forward to spending some time with this watch. Nope. Got some packaging peanuts in here. Oh wow. Big box with a lot of peanuts for a little package. Yep, looks like that's the only thing that's in here. So let's zoom in and take a look. I had another watch with a case like this. It's a nice little travel case. Oh wow, it's a cool looking watch. Looks like it has a silicone strap with it as well. So I'll try it out on the bracelet and the strap. Looks like it has quick release pins here, so it should be pretty easy to take it off bracelet. Nice engraved case back here. Very nice. Tsunami. So let's read the detail on the back here. Designed in Oxford. Automatic. 30 ATM. 1,000 feet, which is 300 meters. And stainless steel. It also has a helium release valve there. And it says prototype 1 of 3. It is a fairly heavy watch. Looks like a hexad bracelet, or a hexad style bracelet, I should say. It's kind of an interesting case shape here. I haven't seen a watch like this before where it's just kind of looks like a true rounded radius here. So that's a little bit different. To do some research on this watch. Not much of really no chapter ring, just the rehaut there, I guess. $60 click bezel. I'm sorry, 120 click bezel. Looks like a ceramic. It's got some engraving on here. The crown's kind of interesting. I wonder if that's loomed. I guess we'll have to. Let's see. Looks like it's loomed. So, yeah, I'll look at the loom in the full video here. Just doing a quick look at the watch here. It is pretty heavy, actually. Oh, looks like it has a dive extension here, too. So, yeah, that's neat. I'm not really seeing any micro adjust on here. Maybe just because it's a prototype. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. All right, let's put this back in and we'll get it on wrist and we'll close out the video. Kind of reminds me of Omega Seamaster clasp in a way, or Speedmaster. All right, let's get this on wrist. I'll have to size it for my wrist and then spend some time with it. Oh, okay, so a little bit different than these. Must be a custom end link, I guess. And then, because normally these hex heads are like a straight end link, I guess, or that's what I've seen. Anyway, the male lengths on this make the lug-to-lug quite long. But I'll measure all that, and we'll talk about it in the full video. Just doing a quick wrist shot here. I do like the colors. Also, it's a sandwich dial. Looks like we have different color loom on the bezel insert, and then the hands and indices. So, all right, let's zoom out. Let me know what you guys think of this watch. Also, if you've heard of the brand before, I'm not familiar with the brand. We'll zoom back in on the dial here. One more minute on wrist. Looks pretty thick too. I would say probably at least 14 millimeter. All right, let's zoom in on the dial for a minute, and then we'll close out the video. Should have looked at the dial earlier. Actually, kind of reminds me of the Fishiano Marlin that I had a while back. Kind of a similar colorway. And it also had this orange ring around it. All right, that will conclude today's video. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below. As always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.